Hi there, this is Ben with Shirk Photography. Welcome to my official lineup Photoshop template. I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of what this is all about. There are 3 different options for this series. Official lineup 1 includes football, volleyball, cheer, cross country, tennis, and track. Official lineup 2 includes baseball, softball, soccer, lacrosse, and swimming. And official lineup 3 is basketball, wrestling, dance, hockey, golf. Let's take a look into one of these templates and I'll show you what it can do. Here's my official lineup vertical 3 template. It's an instant download and has a bunch of options. So for example, in the equipment here, this one is going to include a basketball, a headgear for wrestling, a hockey puck, a golf ball, and jazz shoes. In the sports texture folder, there's a variety of different awesome sports. Just take a look at the samples on the page to see more of what those will look like. Obviously you can change any of the text to anything you like. You don't have to include the subject's name. This could just be, for example, the team name and the year. Down here, this official and nights. It doesn't have to say official. It could say, for example, Assumption Nights across here, or whatever your school name is and nights. Or you can completely shut that off and do something like this. This template makes a classy yet impactful way to show off your subjects as banners, posters, or prints for parents. Hope you love it.